phone and done some stuff. I done this not a while ago, but it was just a while ago, but he's just been on my phone because my polar bear guy has died. I'm really mad about that. This end must just suck. But I'm hoping he didn't buy something with my credit card. Even though I don't even have a credit card. Goo 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 goo. So yeah, here's my new guy. It's a bunny salmon. It's awful weird though. Let's go to you, cupcake crab. Another man's junk is another man's treasure. $3.50 for that. Yeah. So, yeah. Still stick. You know what I'm just setting done? That may just set and ruin my life. I could have gotten a shack with that. I can get a shack. Well, I think I can anyway. Any shacks I can get? No shacks. Shack crafting 42. Yeah, I'm not level 42, but this is what he done to my shark T-Rex. So this is legit stupid. He done it with a Yeti and made it look stupid. Okay, that's gonna hatch in a few minutes. Bye. Never mind. So, I will see you when this is done hatching. Well, it is finally, in the seconds. Just a couple more seconds, and after this egg hatches, I am going to play, well, I'm not going to play anything, but I'm going to end the video and clear some storage and make a Roblox Piggy video. So stay tuned for that. Gooby goober, goo 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 goo. Goo. They're actually just set and kicked me away from that. Well, let's look at this. The Angry Tawny. Well, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Bye.